Ni tariki 20 mweri wa gathandatu mwaka wa 2023 inkugwatogeni ntoni cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja mbitagwa Christine Wanjeru. Tukiambiriria ntoni cietu ni ati borici mucii wa Chuka ni magucuana na muntu murume umwe akuma ntere cia Mugwe uria kuringithanwa na kuraga kana gakabici ka miaka 7 na guta mwiri wa komoburoni wa Tungu. Mwiri wa mututigi urarutirwe muburoni ni muthenya wa igoro kibwai na kuririkana muntu murume uyu ni matiganite na muntu buka wawe na enuka na nyumani kiumia kithiru ethirwa agiteka mateka kana gakaumite cukuru na mushoni karethirwe gakuite.
Nkicirike bageka na njira mbega ambilerie ngugi ya bitina kuma girojo na kimindo kwenda kumutemanga leu no kumenya oje nuka le mbele akwenuka ria mbere ndamwira gwa uriu kukana kukani tonto mtugo gwa kumira tewe twega aya ndacokire au gatwika we ma bakwenda no kairigwe acoka tu kwae akuri kwae adira mutwika simba tena leo ndakingia mwisho ni eno leo naendete gucuria mwana kana kara jere leo kazu kwene gina wae adi nako leo ndakinga ino nio ndaugire ndagwali ntikwenda acoka no kaire yakara kariogu ende na kwenda mukwae na arenda mukwae atikuraga leo no kumenya ni ndona gutina anja kunengana mwana no ndutikandaleraga mwana wa kulia kura kana mwana wa kulia gucumbura leo ndakingia mwisho ri tiro acokire ja antemanga
ntana mwana kuma Wednesday bu arutilwe skulu ngetinia skulu no wa mojukirie ni nkumumenya ni shemeju akwa agurite sister akwa angetageria nontu ni ngutetheria sister bakwa na ntu ajete magutuni na kibanga nani ndajukiria tu ndenda mamuji ndadi kuga kwira na report ilia aina yo magutuni after ni ajile bakoja na sister akwa ni ajaga ka faint nkambilia kuga mbu au ni ambilia kundinga ngakembela kanini tuga gelwambu au ni atekile time nke kwata kibanga kile ina kwa kina ntema njala niyo ni basi mejaga
au rogwambirira magutuni na kibanga ambira twenda memoji twenda maboega ma tokinyangeti ni amboria le uno kwata ko kaloso kwa kwa ndamwirali niyo ndatonya muji ngitonya muji ayi nyuma leu after au ngodi muji ndagwa kuringa gustuka kuria stokire ntu augira akambiriria na baba kumutemanga acokere gwa ntemange ni acokaga nkwegua ni acoka akenga na sister akwa akamuringa amerandeana agacoka akienda kumutema agwata kibanga mutema njala ambira anakero tikalocoka gwakwa nkeja nkaulaga umwe ndamwira gutirina twaja na posti ntukiaira tutayo Wednesday niyo tukweja posti ni acokaga riu akadia kajukia mwana sister akwa akudukagana.
DCC wa Bore East we Josephine Njenga na uretie aciari kumenyera ciana ciao cia ciari ni kenda itikagienda cia tene na itikaume cukuru nkuru kina uretie aciari monde gutigira ciana ciao ni kuthie cukuru na iteguta cukuru ni kenda ciethirwa cina muturire umwega au kabere.
Munini wa County Commissioner Boris Josephine Njenga netete nambere kuri aciari muno baye kurukumenyerana bare nini maturene buru nikenda kurire yubia ruwa kiribo na njira ya ukiria mugongo.
Sijui nani angependa mtoto wake aingie mimba bado akiwa shule. Kuna mtu angependa? Kwa hivyo tuchukue jukumu letu kama wazazi tuweze kuchunga watoto wetu. Saa ingine nikichelewa mikutano nakutana na wasichana wadogo wanatembea mitaani. Najiuliza huyu msichana ako na mzazi? Turekebishe wamama wenzangu ndio hao watoto kesho watakuwa chief. Umeona kuna chief mama watakuwa DCC watakuwa governor na vio vingine.
Na kiriboko ne kithomo kria na bauba nini maturene.
Tuhakikishe watoto wetu wako shule. Serikali kuu kiongozwa na rais wetu William Ruto imeleta chakula cha kutosha. Tumepeleka kwa shule zote za serikali za msingi. All the primary schools tumeweza kupeleka chakula na shule za msingi zote ziko 56 hapa kwetu. Tumehakikisha kila shule iko na chakula ya kutosha kuanzia sasa mpaka shule zifungwe.
Na bwa muthiere njira ya kwagirithio karia na uritie ngwataniro ya mwingi maturana na maabisa ba ukaria kireko ya na riboti ya winyangia ni kendo kinda na wagagia buru.
Hivyo tushirikiane na tusifiche uharifu. Pia wale watu, kwa sababu kumekuwa na visa vichache hapa vya uvujanji wa manyumba, msifiche uharifu. Mwambie mwenzako usifiche uharifu. Kama ni mtoto wa mwenzako, unajua yeye ndiye anahangaisha mtaa, share information na assistant chief, share information na chief wako na sisi, na pia hapa kwenu si mko na askari, ndio hatua iweze kuchukuliwa.
Kiripotera Weru TV kumabori mbeta wa Kevin Kimathi.
Nkatha ya munini wa rais niwe Dorcas Gachagua uria nowe mugwatiriri wa michetho ya ntuma mawathe Kenya na ugite akethirwa ari murainini wa mbere kumagwatirira na ugite na magwatirite na kiri mibango yawe yonthe iria akethirwa akirutharitie mama ari nthi ya Berlin ni baria michetho ya ntuma mawathe ikwirigirirwa kwambiririrwa rua.
I think it's the natural thing to do, because we want to have an inclusive society. And you know, if you do not take care of the differently abled people, it means that the world does not have a heart. And therefore, I'm here to support the inclusion and to make it very possible for them to know that we care. One of the things that I did is to become one of their champions, to give them visibility and advocacy, so that I sensitize people about this inclusion and making sure that they are not left behind. Because if you leave any of the communities behind, it means that you are doing a disservice to a people that deserves, one, to be nurtured and to be taken care of, and two, they are our children, and you want to put a smile on their face at all times. One of the things that I want to tell the ladies, you know, every time a mother is around the children, you give them encouragement. There was so much energy around here. The beauty of the carnival that was there, with the children jumping, dancing. I think any mother, any person from Africa, they missed big time. And I think next time, every first lady, second lady should come to support the Special Olympics. In fact, we are saying it should not be called Special Olympics. It should be Olympics, so that even that becomes an inclusion. You don't have a special event for them, but it should be the same events. When the Olympics are taking place, let them take place. Because if we are talking about bringing everyone together and making the impossible happen, let the Olympics become Olympics for everyone. The people with disabilities should not have their own, but it should run at the same time concurrently.
Harwaru maria marari sibitari-ini ya Jekim iria iri ntere cia nkombo ni mambiritie kuthamwa one nyuma ya kwani kwa Nteto buria kwithiritwe kwina wamba sibitari-ini ino wa atumiri makandi ya NHIF ni baria antu engi matigitwe ni endwa mao ni nyuma ya kwithirwa makirigitwo thuku na nkinyagia mange gutigwa mari cionje na riu CS wa ugima tawe Susan Humicha na nenkanire mukana wa mathaa 40 na manana tutoino cithirwe igicunkunwa na arungamiri mantere ino ma NHIF methiro makirunga mwawira wa kagita.
Kasibitari yetu ikuingwa ana oturaita mugate wetu ana betu tutize bakathoma nai tutize ina twitete thai na ndi monkira thai ana ibengirwe tukathomithia ana nambi nyawa tu kasibitari na me yanto aba batiutegera sibitari endere cauja kwirwa ja chunguzwe sibitari kiendereaga mbere sibitari ija gutomenyekanaga lakini kume kwija aja nandi kwamenyekanire batu twina biashara twina hoteli itukwenderia azie itukwenderia barabejete kuraithana ndakatia bonda bonda ici kire stage aja ibarejaga moteri nezetu na nde ingo twetete
batu turagirwe twina peni ndito muno mbere nyumba aja mbere nsimitari yaje ikwaina nyumba na nyumba itaitangwe. Point number 2 aja kuma nsimitari kweja nyumba ile kiaja inyumba inene nyingi muno ili antuba bagwitango gyaja baukara. Point number 3 ana bale bautethekera kuma aja no ntokeja Thaa Mugwanja ngariri kweja ana bagikwa ndigurwa aja inya chukuru chiongwa ni kuona ni ikaumisika. Point number 3 batu ile mbere simitari yaja ukuona undi na carpenter ndi ni itandaja mbere gutindi kumba kuthithwa no ate aja kwari ukithakene na ndi ninkuromba kinyoga tuika ikuragire ichu simitari ije ni bati kwethoro at least ije ithitherwe ni vacation ithitherwe kendereaga nontu ni vacation nyaba inga meba kawinja kimu ake bathiria kinya tuingwa antu bakawainda tukuthira
atukuromba Nteto sibitari ije ombe kurugora nontu area ije nande itwambitie kuona impact ene kuingio nontu nande nyanduka itekugurwa ngugi mbeciri rathiuruka area itekumba kuenderea utingugi nyemwe kuenderea nandi undi ne nyambucha nyama gaikuthuka nandi turomba nya thirikari itegere mantu jayumbe turugurira sibitari ije nontu ni ratutethagia nandi ja kiumia kithiru ndajeruo tuko ndareta ngwa anti uciera wandeja ndatirito na ndomba kubwa nontu ne akwe gwakwa no arugitone
esino nindi sibitari kwithire kaingwa isi gutuwa kuruntu bwa tonya bubuthuku abo araira gwa sibitari kiendereaga 24/1 twina ndo abaingi bandiki ntureji na bangi kuma kuraja mono na thaira bikibiki ria aja iteragia antu mono na mantu jara maingi ya pena ya sibitari eji yetha beari mono na jabui mono na tujona jabui mono lakini so tuno kosa ritonyaga no ethire ini kosa ritonyete between ura kana ore ongi na ndo no nyangwa tika kumenya lakini so wa thirikari gategera na njire mo kana erengi tewe batere kuinga sibitari.
Treat familia to unforgettable moments na Star Times. Usiwachwe nyuma. Cheki Hello Mr. Right kwa Rembo TV.
Saisi tall, dark and handsome. Ni mwanaume ni kiasi.
Familia nzima ijibambe juu tuko na favorites zote. Picheko.
It's amazing.
Emotions.
Didn't I already tell you that I want you to be mine?
Entertainment kusuit kila budget na lifestyle. Drama kibao. Action ya kubamba. Familia nzima ijibambe juu tuko na favorites zote. Entertainment kusuit kila budget na lifestyle. Download Star Times on ucheki favorite shows zako on the go. Star Times, enjoy digital life.
Uraigwa nkume ya mubango jothi Kenya Airlift Program ni mubango jurajo gutetheria aritoba Kenya kuthomera ndigiri mwanya cia masters nthigurune ya Amerika. Kuigwatira kanya gaka no mwanka withiro uri na grade ya B plane gwitia kiri KCSE na second class honors kiri degree ya university. Uchiandikithia riongera mutandao wetu jwa www.kenyaairliftprogram.com. Ofisi chetu iri Royal Business Park 4th floor Njorincheke Street, Meru Town. Turingira thimu gukurukira 0703 509 493. The Kenya Airlift Program, empowering Kenyan students. Yetu sako irina nkuma enjaga kiri aritani aritingo gibonde bathirikari na kinya kambuni turi na MOU nabo ya gutigira ba kugarura uturo bwa gukurukira super mapato loan. Kuma enjaga ni ati utetwa garanta, utetwa shares na no uri ruru na miaka 8 na interest ya 1% reducing balance. Kuona utungata bwa super mapato loan kana bunge turiongera branch yetu irere akwe nagwe kana waranire na tugukurukira namba yetu edimu 07111038000 kana info@yetusako.co.ke kana www.yetusako.co.ke. Yetu Sako, your success, our pride.
Oringi nkugwate ugeni tukithina mbere Nteto cietu ni ati PS wa Iwanda niwe Patrick Kiremi na ugite sako ni ibatire kwithirwa ikinenkera mikobo kiria memba mao nikenda kumabotithia kwa kanyomba ciao iria ni thina enene iria ina akenya engi mara matina mbia cia kwithirwa makiambiriria gwa kanyomba ciao.
Country we processed waziri less than 1,000 mortgages. So every bank you see in this country processed 2 mortgages. Those again who understand basic economics will know that is called market failure. So when you hear the president talk about housing, he's trying to address the problem of market failure because it's a wish of every Kenyan to own houses. The role of cooperatives in supporting the government in affordable houses lies in the fact that we started playing in this space long time ago. We are the second largest owners of land, the cooperative movement, after the government. Waziri, you know, Kitengela mpaka Kajiado mpaka Namanga, hawa watu wako na mashamba. I want to congratulate Stima Housing because they are already playing in that space. In fact, if you finish that complex, Waziri, the 5 or so 100 houses, we have done 50% of what our commercial banks did in 2022. My appeal to you, this generation, is that let us support the government. As we do what we are doing, let us support the government in the things that are important. The things that are important are we need to give our people employment. And if you doubted there was a question of unemployment in this country, Waziri, last week, G4S, you know Gant, soldier, G4S advertised for 150 positions. They wanted to recruit people, 150 soldiers. Waziri, the news are over 3,000 Kenyans turns at G4S to be recruited as soldiers. What are we saying? We have a serious unemployment problem. 5 million young people qualified do not have jobs. Every year, almost 1 million are joining the job market. How much are we able to employ? 60 years down the line, we have less than 4 million Kenyans employed. And of these 4 million, the majority are earning 46,000 and below. Look, Waziri, what the president wants to do is to reboot the structure of our economy. We can only do that by working with what we have. What do we have? We have people in the villages doing farming. Through the cooperative model, we can aggregate these people to viable, feasible economic models that are able to generate money monthly. We saw that in Meru, we saw that in Githunguri. We had 30,000 dairy farmers in Meru. 100-something thousand farmers who are every month getting payments from their milk production. As a result of that, we have circles thriving in Meru. We have Capital Circle, we have Yetu Circle, and the same in Githunguri. Githunguri, we have 4 circles in Githunguri constituency who are doing very well. You all know about them. This is because people are put on regular income and they are able to make financial decisions.
Minister Munene ni Musalia Mudavadi na uretie Akenya kugwatira kithomo gya kurutha utwiria wa kiriu na nkinyagia uteani kenda kwithirwa na ruyuru rwega rwa Kenya. Arite mamakire mucemanio University ni ya Nairobi ne baria akuga Kenya makagwatira utea na nkinyagia gutumira mitandao ya kiriu wega no kwithirwa kwina kanyaga kanene muno ga gwiukiria na nkinyagia gwiaka.
Education and knowledge sharing are fundamental to the commons we want. By investing in quality education, promoting research, and fostering intellectual exchange, we can build the capacity of our citizens to understand and address the complex challenges we face. Through collaboration between universities, research institutions, and communities and government, we can generate innovative solutions that will produce a sustainable future. The commons we want must also embrace the power of technology and innovation. Digital advancements offer immense opportunities for participatory governance, citizen engagement, and the efficient management of resources. By harnessing the potential of digital platforms, we can enhance transparency, accountability, and effective decision-making by ensuring that the voices of all stakeholders are heard and respected. This is the essence of Kenya's open government thrust. In Kenya, the commons we aspire to is rooted in the belief that by harnessing the power of collaboration and inclusivity, we can create a future that is just, resilient, and prosperous for all. Coincidentally, the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda, commonly known as BETTER, is rooted in belief that we are safe if we uplift the livelihoods of those at the lower end of the economic ladder. Our view is that development that is not shared by the majority is pseudo-development, or what Walter Rodney accurately called underdevelopment.
Newega nontoko na kanya kurumira nteto cietu ciingi na njira inkinyaniru ni cia kinya Thaa 1:30 kiogoro ithirwo na muthenya umwega mbitagwa Christine Wanjeru.